I'm Larissa Thompson. I'm the kitchen and bath designer for Ram Restoration. Lots of estimating, meeting with clients, going to people's homes, really just kind of working with the client, trying to figure out what they want. I actually started out college in interior design and loved that. So I knew eventually down the road I was going to be kind of on that path again. So I got some software, got a computer, and started learning how to put kitchens together. Then when I came here at Ram, I just kind of fell into the job. It felt natural. So what I love about my job is not only just working with homeowners and figuring out like what they want for their design, but I love working with all the tradesmen. We've got painting, we've got carpenter, plumbing, like all of the tradesmen. I feel like I really learn a lot from them, so just kind of makes me a better designer. So childhood, I'm the middle child. I have an older sister, younger brother. We grew up very family oriented. We went to church, we played sports. After high school, kind of just started working full-time in customer service and paid my way through college. I met my husband, actually, who was a couple grades ahead of me. We went to the same high school. We have Evan, who is our oldest. He's 21. He's currently at West Virginia University. And then our younger one is in middle school. So Benjamin, the younger one, is adopted. We adopted him. As a family, we are competitive. We'll do Topgolf, we go bowling. We don't always walk out with smiles on our face, depending on who won and who didn't, but it's fun. We have a good time. I do love gardening. Now, I'm not a hardcore gardener. I have a small planter, some herbs. I love flowers. So, of course, as a designer, anything that makes your space look beautiful, right? So I love lifting weights. I'm an early bird, so I get up early in the morning, go to the gym, get the brain moving, get the body moving, and so I love that. I love that feeling. Yeah, I love working at Ram. Randy and Teresa, they brought me on. They were just super hospitable. I love working with my project managers and just kind of getting to know like the tradesmen.
Final most important question. Yeah. What do you like on your pizza?
What do I like on my pizza? Okay, I'm going to get booed for this big time. Pineapple and green olives.
And green olives?
Yes, I love olives.
Like it. Yeah,
Green olives. I love it. Yeah, it's good.